Good afternoon, Pottinger's class.
Good afternoon.
Today we finished 2.1, dividing to get mixed number quotients. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you guys know how to get mixed number quotients?
Yes.
All right, before we get to that, mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number with a
Fraction part.
So mixed number. Whole number 2, fraction 1/2. Is that a mixed number?
Yes.
Okay, good. Fraction. Part of a whole number, less than 1, lives between 0 and 1. Decimal. Lives between 0 and 1, part of a whole number, less than 1. What do you notice about the definitions for a fraction and a decimal?
They're the same.
They're the same stinking thing, aren't they?
Yeah.
So would that be fair to say fractions and decimals are the same thing?
Yes.
Basically the same thing. Okay, cool. Remainders are weak. Okay, so normally when we do 5 divided, okay, watch this. Help me out here. Our original problem was 5 divided by 4. Are you with me?
Yes.
Does 4 go into 5?
Yes.
How many times?
1.
What's 1 times 4?
4.
What's left over?
1.
Is there anything to bring down?
No.
No, so that's your answer. Normally we would say, okay, answer is 1, remainder 1, right?
Yes.
But we are not doing that anymore. We're doing mixed numbers, yes?
Yes.
I'm up here. I'm up here. So what's my remainder again?
1.
1, but now since we're doing mixed numbers, the remainder becomes the top number of your fraction. What is the bottom number of our fraction?
4.
Or we call this the what?
Divide.
The divisor. So when we did number 6, it was a bit of a longer problem. We got 168, right?
Yes.
What was left over?
3.
So 3 becomes the,
Numerator.
and the 5, which is our divisor, right?
Yes.
Becomes the,
Denominator.
I mean, that's the big change. So we're still doing McDonald's math, except for we're just answering with a fraction instead of a remainder, right?
Yes.
We good?